Have you ever woken up, looked at your goals, your to-do list, your entire life, and thought, what's the point? This all feels so pointless. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're human. And right now, millions of people, including me at my lowest, are feeling exactly the same. But here's the truth most motivational videos won't tell you. You don't need to find motivation when everything feels meaningless. You build it back, one tiny, stubborn step at a time. I'm going to give you the exact counterintuitive strategies that pulled me and thousands of others out of that dark fog. If you're ready to stop surviving and start feeling alive again, let's go. First, let's be brutally honest. When life feels pointless, it's often because the big dreams got crushed by reality, daily grind drained your dopamine, or existential questions hit hard like, why bother if it all ends anyway? I get it. I was there, laying in bed for days, scrolling endlessly, convinced nothing I did mattered. But one day I realized waiting to feel motivated is the trap. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Let me share quickly. 2 years ago, after losing my job and a relationship, I hit rock bottom. Everything felt meaningless. I stopped trying to force positivity. That made it worse. What changed? I stopped fighting the feeling. I said out loud, okay, right now life feels pointless, and that's okay. Acceptance was the first crack of light. From there, I experimented with small experiments, not big goals, and slowly momentum returned. Today, I want to hand you those same experiments. Here are 7 powerful, proven ways to rebuild motivation when nothing seems worth it. Tip 1. Stop chasing motivation. Chase the tiniest action instead. Forget feeling inspired. Pick the stupidly small version. Not go to the gym, but put on workout shoes. Not write a book, but open the doc and write one sentence. Why? Action creates dopamine hits. Tiny wins stack. In 5 minutes, you'll often feel the fog lift. Try it right now. Pause this video and do one micro action towards something you've avoided. Tip 2. Practice radical acceptance and self-compassion. Talk to yourself like you'd talk to a friend in your shoes. This sucks right now, and it's okay to feel lost. You've survived 100% of your bad days so far. Journal prompt. Write 3 things you're grateful for today, even if it's I breathed or coffee exists. Gratitude rewires your brain from scarcity to possibility. Tip 3. Move your body even when you hate it. A 10-minute walk outside can shift your entire chemistry. Low dopamine makes everything feel pointless. Movement boosts it naturally. No gym needed, just move. Bonus, pair it with music that hits your soul. Create a defiance playlist for these moments. Tip 4. Create meaning on your own terms. Life isn't handed meaning, you assign it. Pick one small why that pulls you. Helping one person, mastering a skill, being there for family, or even proving to my past self I can keep going. Ask, if nothing mattered, what would I still choose to do? That answer is your North Star. Tip 5. Build rewards and rituals. After any small action, reward yourself. No guilt. Coffee, 10 minutes of your favorite show. Rituals signal to your brain this matters. Tip 6. Connect with others, even minimally. Isolation amplifies pointlessness. Text one friend, hey, feeling low, how are you? Or join a community, Reddit, Discord. Human connection reminds you you're not alone. Tip 7. Track progress visually. Use a simple habit tracker or notes app. Seeing streaks, even 3 days, proves you're moving. Momentum is addictive once it starts. Now, here's a game changer many overlook. Systems beat willpower long term. When motivation dips, automation keeps you consistent. That's why I use GetResponse. It's an all-in-one email marketing and automation platform that helps you build lists, send newsletters, create simple funnels, even run webinars. Why does this matter here? Because when life feels pointless, small, consistent actions like emailing your thoughts or building a side project compound into real meaning and even income. I've seen people turn personal journals into newsletters that grow audiences and earn passively. GetResponse makes it beginner-friendly with drag-and-drop tools, AI writers, and automations so you don't rely on daily motivation. If you're serious about turning small actions into something bigger, like sharing your journey, building a community, or starting a side hustle, check out GetResponse. Check the link in the description to start the free trial and try it yourself, up to 500 subscribers free, and get going today. It's helped me stay consistent when nothing else did. No pressure, but if you're ready to systemize your comeback, it's a tool worth trying. You don't need everything figured out. You just need to start. One breath, one step, one day. The fog will lift. The point will appear. Not because life suddenly makes sense, but because you decided to keep going anyway. If this resonated, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's one tiny action you're taking today? I'll reply to as many as I can. And if you're ready to build systems that support your motivation long-term, grab that GetResponse free trial from the link below. You've got this. Keep going. The world needs your stubborn spark. See you in the next one.